Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a factory worker. Okay, basically this job description of a factory worker, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important duties and responsibilities of a factory worker that helps potential candidates to work on important requirement in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph that includes all the very important and key information about this particular job of a factory worker. After this particular section, we will see the detailed duties and responsibilities section, and at the end we will also see the requirements section as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph. Firstly, we are looking for a hard-working factory worker to join our production team. As a factory worker, you are responsible for a range of functions, including processing, sorting, and packing the products, as well as operating the machines and monitoring the output to check it is in line with the compliance standards. To be successful as a factory worker, you should be able to work on the production line with consistent speed and accuracy. An outstanding factory worker should be organized, reliable, able to work effectively as part of a team, and have stamina and dexterity. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities section that provides more important detailed duties and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate in order to qualify for this particular job of a factory worker. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these detailed duties and responsibilities. As a factory worker, your duties and responsibilities include operating machinery, sorting and packing products, loading goods into crates ready for dispatch, maintaining quality control, maintaining a clean workstation and production floor, reporting any issues to the supervisor on duty, performing other tasks as assigned, following health and safety procedures. So all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities for a job of a factory worker. For this particular section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for this particular job of a factory worker. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a factory worker, no formal qualification is required for this particular job, although a high school diploma or related qualification is desirable. You must also have previous experience working in a similar role. You must also have the ability to follow instructions, must possess a team spirit, a good level of concentration, as well as a physical stamina. So all these are the requirements for a job of a factory worker. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job. Or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of a factory worker. So basically, a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on a job description of a factory worker. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.